Hi guys. Today I'm gonna show you what's in my bag, whether it's this bag, a church bag, doesn't matter. But I always have a bag and everyone keeps asking me why I always have a bag. So I just decided to film and show you guys what I have in my bag. My name is Janet and these are 10 things, let's say 12 things that I always have on me or with me wherever I go. Number one, a bag, right? Number two, Vicks. Like, I cannot go anywhere without Vicks. Number three is Vaseline. Number four, wipes of utmost importance. Number five, chappies. Number six, tissue. Number seven, lotion. Number eight, a body mist or a mini perfume, depending on where I go, but it's a must. Number eight, something for your lips, of course. Number nine, sanitizer, very important. Number 10, toothpicks or a floor stick, but I prefer a floor stick. And no, I think this is 12 or 11, I don't know. I always carry a water bottle wherever I go, whenever. Hydration is key. And that is 12 things that I always have with me.